NASA Discovery students each time is like they would at NASA. So we have a mission briefing in the morning to tell them what our task will be, and we always remind them of the why. Students are on a NASA Globe investigation team. So we have air quality.
First, we roll the dice, and whatever number it lands on, that's the square we go to, and count how many particles are in it.
And then they look at the air quality index for today and a year ago today.
Guys, how many times are you going to take water temperature?
What? At least twice. At least 3 times.
So what are you working on? What are you
Is you put this, the thermometer, inside the water.
Okay.
And then we gotta like check the temperature of at least 15 degrees.
15 degrees Celsius?
What you got? Is 7 good? 15.2.
Yeah, right? 0.
Oh, so this is okay, we got one. 15.0. Do the pH, and we're gonna see if the water is clean
Or dirty.
or like
Or like 4.
So the pH tells you all of that.
It tells us how the water looks, feels, and it gives us like more information if the water is clean, dirty. Pull it up.
What do you think? Be careful, leak a little bit. What do we think?
I think that's a 6.
You think it's a 6? All right, go tell our reporter.
So what does that mean if the pH is 6?
It technically means it's about to be neutral. It's like a little
It's
neutral.
like one. It's close. It's the close
it's
one
a little
that is
bit
not neutral, but it's close to neutral.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay, so it's happening over time. We're staying in this neutral area. So is that a good thing for our creek?
Yeah.
Absolutely, right? Our animals are going to be nice and healthy.
CUMULUS.
Found cereal cumulus cows and Curostratus cows.
Anybody want to talk about the contrails we found?
Kind of over there, it was kind of like persistent spreading.
Yeah, just we were holding our finger up, and if it spread more than a pinky's width, and then it was spreading. So, yeah, it was a great observation.
And what caused those contrails?
Airplanes exhaust.
Exhaust, okay.
And you guys tell me if you think we see any of these in the middle. Camille, what do you think? All right, take a look up, guys. Look here, and then take a look up.
I think I see some of this.
You think they're puffy?
A little bit.
Okay. These here in the middle. The alto stratus?
Tell us one thing that we did here today, and what kind of you learned about it.
The different parts of the brain to see like which is warmer, which is colder, and then we can get the average. Because if we only took like 2, we wouldn't get the best average.
How many centimeters did we have today?
11.
11. When you compare that back to what we saw before the previous 2 months, how does that compare?
It compares that it means that we're getting more rain from probably because of the season. Winter is probably cold. It can rain a lot. Some parts can be warm, but most of the parts are cold, like freeze.
Yeah, we've seen a very significant drop in temperature since,
So is there a difference between the surfaces and the temperatures? Because you took it in 3 different surfaces.
Yeah, some of them are different. For example, like the bridge, it was probably a little bit warmer because the sun is kind of directly on it. But the leaf pile over there is in the shade, so it probably didn't get as much sunlight, so it's probably colder. What I like about this is that whenever I used to like NASA a lot, and I wanted to be like an astronaut or something whenever I grow up, like a scientist.
So you're excited to come here?
Mhm.
What's the coolest part?
The coolest part is like what different things I measure and like to see the degrees and see like the things average over time.